In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wix subscription in 2025, taking you through the process step by step. Whether you're switching to another platform or just looking to pause your services for a while, this guide will help you seamlessly navigate the Wix dashboard and end your subscription without any hassle. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Wix homepage at wix.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will take you straight to your site's dashboard where you can access all your account settings and management tools. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. Click on it and you'll see a drop down menu appear. This is your quick access point to various account options, but what we're interested in is the account settings. So click on that option and it will take you to the next page. Once you're in the account settings section, what you want to look for next is the premium subscriptions tab. This is where Wix manages all its subscription related details. Go ahead and click on that tab and it will open up a list of all the premium subscriptions currently active under your account. Now if you've got an active subscription, you'll see it listed here. Alongside the subscription details, you should notice a 3-dot menu on the right hand side. This menu is crucial for our next step. Click on these 3 dots. It may seem small, but it holds the power to manage and most importantly to cancel your subscription. When you click on this menu, a small list of options will appear. Look for the cancel option in this list, click it and you will be prompted with some confirmation messages. Make sure to read through these messages as they may contain information regarding the end date of your subscription, possible additional charges or loss of website functionality. After confirming your decision to cancel, follow any additional prompts until the process is complete. And there you have it, your Wix subscription should now be cancelled. If you're unsure about any step or encounter any issues during the cancellation process, Wix usually provides detailed support through their help center or customer service, which can be immensely helpful. By following these simple steps, your subscription with Wix will be effectively cancelled. Remember to check your email for a confirmation notice from Wix, as this will serve as proof of your cancellation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you manage your subscription tasks easily. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.